Hello friends, now we are going to perform a binary to decimal conversion. If a binary number is given, how to convert it into a equivalent decimal number. For example, my input binary number 100 is my binary number. So how to convert it as a decimal number? So 100, if you take 100, so what is it? The 1 is the MSB. This is most significant bit, and 0 is the LSB, least significant bit. What you're supposed to do, you will take this 100, take the least significant bit first, 0 multiplied with 2 power 0. So 0 into 2 power 0, which is equal to 0 into 1. 2 power 0 equal to 1, which is equal to 0. Next, take the second number, 0 into 2 power 1. You have to start from the least significant bit and proceed towards the most significant bit. 0 into 2 power 1. So 0 into 2, which is equal to 0. Next, I am taking the next digit 1. 1 into 2 square. 1 into 2 square equal to 4. This is 4. You can add all the numbers. 0 plus 0 plus 4, which is equal to 4. So, the binary number is 100. The decimal equivalent of the binary number is 4. This is the way you have to perform the conversion. Take the digit in the least significant bit and multiply it with the 2 power 0. Okay. So 0 into 2 power 0 equal to 1, which is equal to 1. Next digit, you will increase the power from 0 to 1. Okay. 0 into 2 power 1 equal to 0 into 2 equal to 0. Next digit, increase the power by 1. 1 into 2 square, which is equal to 1 into 4, which is equal to 4. And add all the digits. I am getting the value 4, which is the decimal number for the given binary number 100. So given binary number is 100. This base is 2 because it contains only 2 digits 0 and 1, which is converted into a decimal number 4. This base is 10, which contains the 10 numbers from 0 to 9. So we will take another example and convert it as a decimal number. The 1011 is my binary number. I have to convert it into a decimal number. So for this, take the least significant bit 1 multiplied with 2 power 0, which is equal to 1 multiplied with 1, which is equal to 1. Next, take the next digit 1 and increase the power by 1. 1 into 2 power 1, which is equal to 1 into 2, which is equal to 2. Next, take the next digit 0 multiplied with 2 square. Increase the power by 1, which is equal to 0 multiplied with 4, which is equal to 0. Next, take the last bit. This is the most significant bit. 1 multiplied with, increase the power by 1, 2 cube. So this is equal to 8. 1 into 8, which is equal to 8. Now add all the numbers. 8 plus 0 is 8, plus 2 is 10, plus 1 equal to 11. So 11. 11 is my output. What is my input? 1011 is my input. Is a binary number, base 2, which is converted into a decimal number 11. The base is 10. That's it. In this video, we have discussed how to convert a binary number into its equivalent decimal number. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share, comment and press the bell button. Thank you.